Now screen is visible, everyone. Guys, screen is visible or not? Please tell me. Hello? Hello, all of
Visible,
you.
ma'am.
Okay. So this was the if statement that we have discussed earlier, right? We can use some more smaller version of if version, sorry, if statement that is basically used in competition and all when we are having no time, na? But in standard program, this is the correct way. This like this if else and all. If we are not having time, so in that case, there is some another method like see, first of all, I'm taking one value or number we can say, okay, num is equal to, then I'm taking some integer, inputting it as, okay, inputting it, and I will write like, write a number, okay, write number, okay. So that is one thing, okay. Now what I am going to do is, uh, I'm using an if statement within print itself, okay, print. It is the short way of using it, if statement, but only when you are in some kind of competition and all, and you are not having enough time to do things. Okay, only use it that time. It is not the exact standard way of doing it, right? And what was the num, right? If num is greater than 10, okay, then um, then yes, otherwise else no. Like that if or you uh, small number also, anything you can write out. Small number less than 10. Sorry about that. If number is less than 10, else what you should write? Large number. Okay. So now I'm going to run it. Okay, they will ask me any number. So I'm writing 40. Okay, it will show me large number because this condition is not satisfied, right? Else condition is satisfied. Okay, so that's why. Then I will run it once again, and I am taking the small number 2. It will show me small number. Is it clear to all of you? This is the short way of using if statement. Okay, within one line itself, printing, checking the condition, everything is done. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that is one thing. Now let us move on to the while statement. Okay. So I'm going to make a new notebook. Okay. So here we will be discussing about while statement. Okay. Heading while. While loop. Okay. While loop. All right. Okay. So here itself, see, when you want heading, go over here and choose heading. Okay. Otherwise, automatically code will be taken. Okay. So right now here, what I want to do is for example, if you are having an exam, right? You are preparing for a particular entrance exam. Okay. And if it's total marks is some thousand, right? And if it's cut off, yes, sir. Always never ever write with a space for any variable. Okay, that is a problem. Okay, cutoff is 400. Okay, so right now you're having some scores throughout some years. Okay, scores like in first year For your first attempt, if you got 200, okay? In your second attempt, if you got 300, right? And in your third attempt, if you got 350, okay? And in your last attempt or fourth attempt, if you got 450, right? This is the pattern, okay? Right. Now, here, while, okay, while, now what is the score? This is score, right? And this is a list, okay? So, score, okay, score within the bracket. First of all, I should write this year. Year or I also is okay. Any variable you can put. Only it should be understood, like the 0. Here. If score 0, sorry, score I, not 0, score I. It means 0 only. Okay. So less than, what is the thing? Cutoff. Okay. Cutoff. Right. And then you have to put this colon. Okay. Always remember, put this colon. Never ever miss it. Okay. Otherwise, the loop will not be formed. Then enter. Okay. You can see a tab over there. My voice is clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So here I am printing. Try once again. Okay. Try again. Try again is enough. Okay. Try again. Cutoff is more than score. Okay. Right. That is one thing. Okay. And if else, what should be the thing? All of you? Congratulations or something like that, right? Else, print. You cleared it on your, which attempt it will show. Okay. On your, where I should put that. Okay. What I write? I plus 1. That would be okay. Let us run it. Oh, sorry. Oh, it is an infinite loop. That was the issue. Okay. Actually, I should put this.
Break.
Then you
Yes,
should put I is equals to I plus
I
1.
is equal to I plus plus. Correct, correct. Here itself, I can put it. Uh, Once again, let us try. There is some problem. Okay, 3 times we are getting a problem, right? Now let us run it once again. Congratulations, you cleared it on code better. Is it clear, all of you?
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, can we would have put I is equals to I plus one yeah, after congratulations you have cleared on your the I plus one attempt. At the last, can we put I is equals to I plus one at the last?
no, the exact, actually what we want, we should clear the attempt, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
if we are putting I is equal to I plus one over here, so first of all, this particular thing will be checked, right?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am, got it, got it, got it, got it.
if here I am putting some 450 and here I am writing 550, then let us run once again, okay? So the third at last, this attempt it is not checking because in this attempt itself you have cleared it. So no need to go for it. Is it clear? Hello? Guys, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to put I is equal to I plus one over here only. Okay, I missed that one. That's why there was an issue. Okay. So this is how, this is one example that how we can use our while statement. Okay, while else, right? It is basically a loop. Okay. And unless and until a particular condition is met, it will run throughout. Okay. I hope
Ma'am,
it is.
how do you know when to use while loop or do while or if, like for loop? Like how do you know which loop to use when?
Loop means it is
So
a
it depends on the
condense-
conditions, right?
depends upon the condition. Like if it is a, again and again, if you want to check the statement, you have to go with loops. Otherwise, if you want to check a simple statement, you can go with if else condition. Okay, like in earlier case, we have to simply check whether the total is greater than 120. This thing we have to simply check to find like student passed or failed. Here, what is the thing? It is a loop, basically a loop. Again and again, we are checking the condition. Same condition we are checking again and again, not only once. So that's why we are using this kind of loop. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay, it depends like which, sometimes the same, for the same process, we can use while loop as well as this for loop, both we can use. Okay, I will tell you.
That's why I asked, like,
Yeah, for the
which
same,
one to choose?
like for me, for loop is more, I prefer for loop more in different cases.
Yeah, me also. That's while loop is very confusing for me
Very
always.
confusing, correct. For loop is,
Ma'am, I have a question.
yes,
Uh, both loop are give output same.
yeah, I will show you one example that how they both gives almost same output. Little bit difference will be there, but they will give same output for a same single problem statement. You can use while loop or for loop, anyone. I will show you one example
Okay.
regarding that. Okay, so now let us go to for loop. Okay. Okay, so here a very simple thing is actually if you want to uh, write some numbers from 0 to some 5 or 6, something like that. So you can take for loop like this, any variable. Okay, for example, x in range. Always write like this. In range, within range, you can put any range. Okay, for example, if you want continuous 5 numbers, okay, you have to put 6 because 6 is the upper bound, it won't be counted. Okay, then colon. Okay, enter, print x. X will be taking values from automatically from 0 to 6. Okay, 0 to 6. All right. If you want 1 to 6, then you have to mention 1 comma like that. Otherwise, 6 itself you can mention if you want 0 to 6 like this. Okay. if you want 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 6. So write over here 1, comma 6. Okay, then it will give you output from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, yes, this is clear.
This is the starting point. If you don't, if 0 is your starting point, just mention the last I mean, last point. I mean, it is an outer bond only. It won't be counted. So whatever value you want, you mention +1 value over here. Okay, if you want 5, you mention 6. If you want 6, you mention 7 over here. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, if you are putting 2, then what will
Yes,
happen?
ma'am.
If you are putting 2 over here, what will happen?
2 to 5.
And it starts from 2 to 5.
2 to 5, correct. Okay. There is one more thing. If you want numbers from 1 to 50, okay, 1 to 50 numbers which are even, okay. So 1, comma, 50 means 51 we should take, right? Okay, comma, 2. Oh, sorry, there it's taking odd only, so you should write 0 over here. Sorry for that. You take 0 over here. Okay, right. Oh, no, 2 is something like 2 is 50. If you want 1 to 50 like that. So it is showing you numbers like even numbers only. It will skip 2. Okay, first element will be 2 itself. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Always this means adding it to it. Is it clear? Suppose if you want from 10 to 50, right? So first starting point 10, 10 to 51. Okay, so 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2. Here 2 means what? Only adding it with the starting point, getting the output. Then again, whatever output is there, add 2 with it, then you will get output like that. Like that, until and unless the loop outer bound is met, it will again execute the statement. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can put some else statement also, like after for loop, now you can put like this. You can put some print statement. Okay, after it, print all even number in this in the range 10 to 50 is obtained. Okay, right? Okay. Right, is it clear, all of you? If you want something like one list is there, okay. For example, one list is there, okay. For loop, no, not for loop, sorry. I'm making 2 lists, okay. One list is like fruits, okay. Fruits is equal to, then within square bracket, I'm writing apple, then something like cherry. Sorry, within double quotes, you should mention always the string. Okay, cherry. Okay, comma. Like banana, jackfruit. Comma. Mango. Okay, these are some fruit list. Okay, and like color. The color is equal to. Now I'm taking like whatever possible color of fruits may be there. Red, yellow, green, Okay, only this one I am taking. Okay, so or you can take paste also. Okay, so right now I'm going with nested loop, 4 within 4. Okay, so 4. Now x, any variable you can put in. Okay, fruits. Okay. Now colon. Then this is a nested loop. So again 4. Okay, 4 within 4. Any variable you can take y. Okay, in next what was color. COLOUR color. Okay, so here also column. Now print x comma y. Okay, it will give you some different result. Let us run it. Okay, apple red, or you can write like red apple. That would be more better, right? So I will write y comma x. Y comma x. Let us see. Okay, red apple, yellow apple, green apple, red cherry, yellow cherry, green cherry, red jackfruit, yellow jackfruit, green, like that. Is it clear all of you? How we can take implement a nested for loop using the list? Is it clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Like different categories of fruits. I mean fruits in different stages you can say. Okay, red, yellow, green, like that you can get it. Better is green, red, yellow. That would be a chronological order, right? That would be better. So let us take in that manner also. Okay, let us run it. So green apple. Oh, sorry. Apple is never. I mean, little bit. I mean, sorry. Control set yellow. Okay. Right.
No, you
Oh,
put the
sorry.
comma.
Yes. I understood my mistake. Yeah.
To remove the comma. Have to remove.
Remove the comma from the yellow.
Correct. Now it is okay, right? Okay. Green apple, yellow apple, red apple, and like that. Green cherry, yellow cherry, red cherry. Is it okay, everyone? Show somewhat time to time change in a particular fruit, right? Is it okay, everyone? This is how
Yes,
we
clear.
can
Yes, ma'am.
very simply we can implement a for loop. It is a very simple example of nested for loop. Okay, you can see it is say like it is nested for loop. Okay. Oh, sorry. Right. This is a nested for loop. Okay. So that was regarding for loop. If you want to implement a pattern, that also you can do. If you want to implement a pattern, like I will show you, like star. I'll show you that one. For I x anything, any variable in range. Okay, within bracket 1 comma 11. Okay, if you want 10 star kind of pattern with the help of for loop. Okay. Yeah. Now here I am printing like print. Okay, star with then multiplied by I. That means see I want to tell you one more thing. Sorry. Whenever some kind of this accidental deletion of cells occur, now always go to edit and undo delete cell. Okay, it will work. Then plus. Okay, sub for example. Okay, if I. Oh, sorry. Okay, not I. Star multiplied by 2 means 2 times this particular star will be written like this, okay? And star multiplied by 10 means 10 times star will be written like this, okay? So this is how you should perform, this is how string will be multiplied again and again. Okay, is it clear everyone? This concept is clear to all of you? Like how to multiply a particular string or character? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are implement the same technique and we are implementing the for loop to get a pattern. Like first time 1 star will be printed. Below that 2 star will be printed because I value is changing time to time, right? Isn't it everyone? Okay, now I'm running this particular for loop. You can see. First time when the loop was running, it had printed 1 star only because at that time I value was this 1, right? And in next loop, I value increased by 2. That's why 2 star is being printed. Then I value increased by 3. So that's why 3 star is being printed. Like that up to 10. Ultimately, we got 10 stars. So this is making a pattern like this, a triangle pattern, right? Is it clear all of you how to make a triangle pattern of stars? Hello?
Ma'am,
All of
then how we
Yes,
will
yes,
make
ma'am.
pyramid?
what?
Pyramid pattern, ma'am.
Pyramid pattern. We will try that thing. I have not went through it. You are having any idea? You can tell me. Any idea, guys, from your side? Let us see what will happen when we are using this nested for loop. You want to try that one? I have not tried it yet. Okay. Tomorrow I will check that one. How to make different patterns. Okay. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow we will try that. I will try to check out some codes like how to make different patterns and we will go through it. Okay. So we will be getting different pattern and class will be a fun. So that is how we can use for loop, nested for loop and all. Okay. So let us create some table. Wait a second. My voice is clear right now.
Yes, we can hear.
Okay, so let us make a table of some number with the help of while loop. Okay, so I'm going to take a new cell and we will create the same table in for loop also. Okay, so for the same problem statement, we will try to explore the two loops. Okay, so for that, first of all, let us take a number. Okay, num is equal to. Now you have to take an integer value since we are dealing with numbers only. Na? Making a table means what? We should have an integer, right? So input. Whichever numbers table we want to make, that should be inputted over here. Okay. Enter. Enter a number whose table is to be found. Okay. So that's one thing. Okay. Now we are writing like print. Okay. Within this table of Here we should put that F so that we can put numbers also in between. Okay. Table of now. Okay. Then space, colon, space. Okay. Now we are going to write the while loop in order to get it. Okay. If we want, I mean, table up to 10 only, like if you're having the table of 2 into 1, 2 into 2, up to 2 into 10, like that. Okay, for that while I less than equal to 10 column. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, now you have to write like print within bracket. You should write like a column table of sorry, not table of sorry, very sorry. Okay, you have to write like num. Okay. Here you should put an F also. Okay, put an F. Then num. Then star. Then I. Not I. Within bracket I. Okay. Then you should write like space. Sorry. Space is equal to. Then you should write num. Sorry, very sorry. Num multiplied by X. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Then we can write I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. So let us run it. I hope it will work. 7. Table of 7. Oh, sorry. Why did I-
Should be F, right? In num into F, right side, same line. Last num into I, it should be F.
I is here, right?
Yeah.
What's the problem? There is some mistake with this statement itself. Let us change this one. Okay. We will write num. Okay. Num, comma, star. Okay. Comma, I, comma, 20, comma, then into I. I hope it will work. Let us see. So before that, I have to put this I equal to 1 to 2. That was the mistake, I think. Okay, we will run it and again we will check the other condition also. I think the initialization was the issue. That may be the issue, I think. Let us check this one. Okay. 4. Right now we are picking things, right? So this initialization was the problem, I think. Let us go with the other type of print also. Okay, control X. Like within bracket num, then star, I, num, into. Let's see whether it will work. Oh, our ending was an issue. Wait a second. So let's. Okay. Now 7. So it is working. The problem was with initialization. Is it clear, everyone? Hello? Are you all sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me any number that you want.
Can you explain the while condition that's been implied here? Like what is happening?
First of all,
here?
we have made an initialization like I is equal to 1. Okay, the variable I is taken as 1. Okay, then the while loop, in while loop, what we are doing right now, I is 1, I is less than 20. So this print statement will be taken. Okay, after that, I am incrementing this I. Okay, I'm incrementing it by 1. Now it is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Again, this loop will run because this condition is still there. Okay, 2 is less than 20, isn't it? So that's why this particular statement will again be printed. Statement means num means number. Okay, when I'm writing any number 6, that means